Hello everyone, welcome back to RFAQK's digital channel. RFAQK is a pioneer maker of cake decorating supplies. I'm so excited for today's video where we will be making a beautiful Mother's Day cake. Mother's Day is all about honoring the wonderful mothers and mother figures in our lives. I wanted to create a cake that captures love and warmth they provide every day. My name is Sarah and I cannot wait to show you how to make a perfect cake to celebrate all the mothers this Mother's Day. Before jumping into cake baking, let me introduce to RFAQK's 200 pieces cake decorating kit. In this kit, you will get. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out any update from our side. Let's level up your cake game. We have already covered the cake with buttercream. Now arrange two different color of floral tapes to differentiate, then place in diagonal lines. Now take a bowl in which we are going to mix various shades of purple buttercream to give marble texture. Slightly mix using a toothpick to avoid overmixing. We'll transfer this to RFAQK's color sheet using spatula and gently smooth the buttercream. Make sure to not overspread to lose the marble effect. Now place it around our cake. Freeze the cake until the buttercream is chilled. We'll smooth the buttercream with the help of scraper to get rid of any gaps. Now we'll remove excess buttercream to have clean cake edges. Now remove the tapes so we will have marble textured diamond shapes. Fill these gaps with icing tip number 9CS. Take fondant and roll it out using RFAQK's rolling pin. Cut out round shape and press down RFAQK's letter cutters to make the word Mom. It's time to paint the letters with edible gold. Now it's ready to be placed on our cake. Let's finish off the cake using RFAQK's Russian tip number 3. Remember, with a little love and creativity, anything is possible in the kitchen. Happy baking!